Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to carve corners of an image in Photoshop very easily. Let's begin. I have a image, create a new layer, click the shape, right click on your mouse, click rounded rectangle tool, and now we can see this radius for small curve for 10 px or bigger than. I use 70 or 50 px as you wish. Then press os use stroke or not use. I not use stroke, then press enter and hold shift, click and drag it, or do not hold shift for custom size. Press Ctrl T, use smoothly. Okay, then click and drag it, click your image, right click on your mouse, create clipping mask. And now we can see this rounded corners. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.